Ever pondered the skills you need to break into cybersecurity? Skill number 1. Building and using virtual machines. Virtual machines, or VMs, are operating systems that function on top of your current or host operating system. A software called a hypervisor manages the guest or virtualized operating system, allowing you to control resources like CPU, memory, and disk space. You may be familiar with hypervisors such as Hyper-V by Microsoft, VirtualBox by Oracle, VMware, and KVM. Virtual machines allow you to be platform agnostic, meaning you're not confined to a specific operating system or its tools. As a professional, you should be proficient in all operating systems and comfortable working with any platform. This broadens your skills and makes you effective in any situation. Furthermore, virtual machines provide a safe environment for training and research without affecting your main operating system. Skill number 2, mastery of the command line. Don't be intimidated, but rather, embrace it. The command line interface, often referred to as a shell, is perhaps the most efficient way to interact with an operating system. Why is it called a shell? Well, it's because the important parts of an operating system that make it run is called the kernel, and the part exposed to a user is called the shell, since it wraps around the kernel. The command line offers you the lowest level access to the software functionality that comes with an operating system. Many of the most useful tools don't have a graphical interface to point and click. By mastering the command line, you expand your arsenal and become more efficient. It also enables you to use scripting and automation, which can save you a lot of time on repetitive tasks. Automating your workflow by learning the command line makes you a valuable asset to your team. In summary, the top 2 skills to break into cybersecurity are building and using virtual machines and mastering the command line. Building and using virtual machines allows you to be platform agnostic, meaning you're not confined to a specific operating system or its tools. It also provides a safe environment for training and research. On the other hand, mastering the command line gives you the lowest level access to the software functionality that comes with an operating system. This makes you efficient and allows you to automate your workflow, saving you a lot of time on repetitive tasks. So, if you're new to the field or looking for a career transition, start honing these skills now. Remember, in this field, what you can do will make you so much more successful than what you know.